Alright, so we are back for another video, guys, and yeah, before we proceed to the unpacking, I just want to show you guys my new set. So this is gonna be our set moving forward in the future if I want to do your unboxing type of videos. So finally I was able to display some of my stuff. So you have some IEMs here, headphones as well, some of my favorite headphones, and some of my cameras here and there, my film cameras. We're still gonna do some improvements here and there, especially in the lighting part. Like for example here, maybe here I want to add more lighting because I just have one light available for me on RGB light. So that is why this is the only one that's lit, but I want to do more here and maybe some more stuff at the top. Actually, I have more stuff there at the top of the shelves, but yeah, it's not visible in the shot, but I do have my LPs there. This is gonna be the unboxing setup if I want to do a more clean, kind of unboxing or video. I still do have my in front of my PC setup because that is my setup when I want to do a video fast. That's the easiest setup for me because I do have everything there, my players there, and I also do have my OG setup which faces my PC, and yeah, my guitar is there, my amplifier is there. So I still do have 3 setups for me to use, but this is going to be maybe the main setup for bigger videos. And yeah, for the EARPHONE awards as well, this is going to be our background, so I still do need to finish that. So the first video that we're gonna shoot with this background is the unpacking. So I actually have a lot of IEMs here. So we do have a couple of products here. Let's start out with this area first. And first we have the Kinera Edu, and this seems to be the second version here. So still your hybrid configuration. We have 2 BA and 1 DT as well, around $200. And yeah, what's really interesting here is I believe the Edun is one of the more popular Kinera versions around. So I didn't like some Kineras in the previous iterations, but the Edun line is something that's liked by the community. So I would love to check this one out, especially if it competes with maybe the TriStar Cs of the world. Next would be this, some Halos. So first is the Halo GT7. So the Halo GT7 is the maybe brother of the GT6. So the GT6 doesn't have that in-ear design, and that is one of my issues with the GT6. And hopefully this is a bit better now in terms of the bass retrieval. This might be the first ANC that we are checking out from Halo. And that's nice. It's a more premium, kind of Halo hybrid ANC as well, and AI noise cancellation. You're still getting that stem design from Halo. So Halo might be going for that stem design moving forward. So there's no issue for me because sometimes for stem designs, you're getting maybe better mic quality and also better battery quality as well. So yeah, really cool update for me from Halo. Hopefully that performs well in our unboxing. And next we're going to this part of the unboxing, and next is the Tantrum Echo. And actually I haven't checked out the Tantrum before, and this is actually using a nice dynamic driver here. So really nice to see that for a TWS that you're using maybe more enthusiast drivers for your TWS, and this might provide us better sound quality compared to your usual mainstream brands, and that will be really cool. Next is this one, the Tripoin Leia. And actually for the Leia, I haven't heard that much on this yet. So it'd be interesting to unbox this, but look at that, guys. You have that matte black kind of design, and that definitely fits the bill for me. But yeah, hopefully this is really cool. With the Tripoin Leia just arrived actually for today here. Next is the CCA CRA. So this is highly requested here in the channel. Of course, I do oblige for you guys. So this might be one of the first that we are gonna unbox. Of course, let me know down in the comments below what you'd like me to check out first. But this seems to be really interesting for me for an unboxing. For dynamic driver presentation. And this might be the VK4 replacement because the new VK4 is not so good. So yeah, hopefully that is one of our top recommendations in the channel. Another one is actually this is an older version. I haven't unboxed it, but this is the CA16 Pro. 16 drivers again for a CCA, and of course hybrid and configuration. Another one is another KZ, and this is the KZ ZAS. So again, another thing that I need to unbox for you guys, but yeah, this is another multi-driver hybrid configuration from KZ. And as we have seen, KZ is improving by the day, their tuning and the sound of the ear. So this might be really cool for us to listen to. All right, next, and maybe the newer one is this one. So this is the NF Audio NM2, and I did unbox the NA2 Pluses before, and yeah, interesting to see how this compares with the NA2 Pluses. But usually for NF Audios, they do provide really good tone in their sound, and also still monitor type of presentation, but not overly aggressive. And yeah, one of the best unboxing experiences as well for Chi-Fis that I have seen. So really interesting on this, around $100 in terms of the price range as well. So would be nice to check that one out. Another one is this one. I'm really late on this. A lot of people have been asking me to review this. But this is the Sabat E16's hybrid configuration. You have a BA configuration here. And because of that BA, this might provide a different sound to the ear, more enthusiast sound to the ear compared to your usual maybe Sabat, dynamic driver Sabats, or Halus. So yeah, that might provide us better sound quality. So that will be interesting to see how this were tuned. And of course, next is the area mechanical keyboard, and yeah, still haven't unboxed this, but we have shown that in the unpacking before. And of course, next would be a lot of QKZs. This actually arrived in the studio. So first is the other VK4. So I have unboxed the VK4 before, and it seems to be that it's a 1.5 version. And now here, I tried to get the new one with the QDC, with the updated cable. Hopefully it is the updated cable, because we're still getting that portrait here, but I tried to make sure that the one that I ordered is the one with the QDC, but hopefully you're getting the QDC on this. This is from a different store, so another VK4 for us to check out. And of course, a lot of new QKZs here. We have actually, I checked out initially what these are, because I'm not that updated in the QKZ world, because there's a lot of movement there. You have the ZAX2, and it seems that it's maybe a ZEX kind of look. You have the ZX2 as well, both dynamic drivers. You're getting that CCA, maybe CSN kind of look. So very KZ type of look, and you're getting removable cables as well here. And here you're getting that ZXN, which looks like maybe a ZS10 Pro kind of look. And here you're getting that ZXD as well. And again, dynamic driver, both of them. You can correct me. I'm gonna maybe do an erratum at the top if I'm wrong, but these are also both dynamic drivers, even if this looks like a hybrid configuration. So yeah, interesting that you're getting that ZS10 kind of look here. So yeah, not so sure why they did that for their casing. And then this is the ZXT and also the ZX3 as well. Yeah, QKZ has been doing a volume kind of strategy, releasing a lot of IMs. Hopefully one of this is good. I'm pretty sure that some of these may sound similar. So we're gonna find maybe the diamond in the rough. Hopefully there is one here, but yeah, hopefully we're gonna get a VK4 kind of tuning in some of these. That is my big hope. ZXT, also ZX3 as well, dynamic driver, and also dynamic driver as well. So actually this kind of looks like the EDX Pro, and this seems to be a cable. This is a T1. So a lot of QKZs here, and actually I have received other QKZs here, double or triple the amount of this. So I actually have a lot of QKZs, so I might need to figure out what to do with them. Especially for the QKZs, I'm not as excited about them, maybe except for the ZXN, because some people are asking me to check that one out. For the other ones, I have a gut feeling that there might be similar in the sound. They just repackaged it. So that's hopefully that is not the case with this QKZs, but I have heard and have seen in the comments that some IMs are like that. All are V-shaped and stuff like that. So we're gonna see if there's a diamond in the rough there. But yeah, for the QKZ stuff, I'm not as excited. Maybe the VK4, I would love to check that one out, and maybe do a comparison between the other VK4s that I have, the OG and also the 1.5 that I have. Hopefully this is the 2.0 version. I try to make sure, but we're gonna see if that is what I get. So delay as well, really interesting. For the CRA, that might be our priority for today. And I would love to check out the NM2 as well. So ZAS as well, and also the GT7. Actually, when I checked out the GT7, when I checked out the brother of this, the GT6, it's one of the more viewed TWS's reviews that I have. So I would love to check this one out, and maybe compared to the GT6. So a lot of people are interested in this price range. So yeah, I would love to cover that more. A lot of things that are exciting. And we have the Titan, Dunu Titan as well coming over. Actually, several IMs coming over. So a lot of things for me to do, but hopefully we can finish the reviews on time. So yeah, actually for this, some reviews, it might take long to do. Some reviews I might do maybe a quick unboxing because there's a lot of stuff that I need to review. I'll try my best to give the best quality video as possible, but yeah, I do have more limited time for this year compared to last year, so hopefully I can finish the reviews for you guys. I will try my best there. So that is our unpacking and also channel update for today. Let me know what you think of the new channel background. Do you have some suggestions for me on how to improve it? Do you like me to maybe do a full walkthrough of the new setup that we have? Let me know down in the comments below. And also, what do you like me to check out first among these products? What is the more interesting ones for you? Also, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpolt review. Goodbye.